Well, today we've got Alex in for test. Taught the young man from scratch. He's been hard work, but he's getting there. Now don't forget, if you're learners worried about passing your driving test first time, get yourself on my YouTube channel, subscribe for a month before you test and watch all the mock test, the test routes. I have 22 on, all the popular ones, and you'll get to see how it should be driven. I'll guarantee you they will help you pass your driving test. If you drive like I do on them videos, you'll get a clean sheet, pass first time. So don't forget, just subscribe. It's only $12.99. It's better than them daft test routes that you get off the App Store. Have you got your progress sheet?
No.
Can't get it quickly. No. It sounds like me. You got that brain working today, young man?
Aye.
Nice. Jump in, get yourself ready.
There's me provisional.
Thank you, sir. This young man, I taught him from scratch. He's had 47 hours, haven't you?
Yeah.
Been hard work. Because I like to keep a record of how many lessons I have when they're complete beginners. There's one I done yesterday. Look. When did you start?
11th of July.
Isaac, you call him. I taught his sister a few years back. Look how many hours you had.
How many?
28.
Did you pass?
You passed for a clean sheet yesterday, first time. But I think you've driven before. I have to laugh at you learner drives if you've only done 10 lessons, only done 10 hours. Get out of here. This is my son. There'd be no way on earth he'd be going in for test. I wouldn't risk it. I wouldn't. I'd be petrified. How are you? Tell him what you're trained to be, Alex.
Bricklayer.
Bricklayer. He's going to be a brickie, this man. So if you want a house building, he's the guy to see. Have any questions before we go? That Wayne Rooney, I seen him on a podcast yesterday.
Right.
That's if he passed first time. He said, yes, he says, how many lessons did you have? Guess how many he said?
He said 3, didn't he?
3, did you see it? 3 lessons. You forget about all the private practice he had where his parents couldn't. 3 hours. 3 lessons, get out of here. Get towards Durham, young man. Who knows, you have got your test today then?
County Durham.
Is there? Oh, I hope you pass. You feeling confident? Passed the mock test last week, didn't you? Get in there, driving like a pro last week. It was a pleasure to do that lesson. I should have given you your money back, shouldn't I? He's tormented me, haven't you?
Oh,
God. I'm blaming you for when I get Alzheimer's disease, yeah? Want a lovely smooth drive today, yeah? Did you watch your mock test?
I did.
What did you think?
Shite.
I need you to stay calm today, young man. Have you got that? Yeah. I'll do. Oh, dude, you got me a bag of nerves here. Yeah. One between the 2 cars. Cancel that ticket noise. Have you looked all around the car? You need to look all around the car, Alex. Have there been anybody come past with toast, yeah? Do them observations. Well done, young man, well done. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. It's not bad, it's pretty decent there, well done. Now watch that car when you get out.
Yeah.
Well, it's time to wish this young man the very best luck. Prediction, are you going to pass or fail?
Oh, I passed.
How many faults then?
I'm not too sure.
How we left, have a guess.
6.
6, Alex didn't come back with 6. We'll go for... How many did you get on your last
4.
test? 4.
Aye.
We'll go for a normal 3. He's had 2 serious faults today. Tell them what they were.
Didn't give way to oncoming traffic when turning right.
Yeah, which you learners love to feel for that one. Who did you have to give way to?
A lorry.
Great big 40-foot trailer come along the road, wasn't it?
Aye.
You wiped us out. And what was the other one?
Can't remember now.
You sure? Well, we come along the road and there was a meeting situation. We had priority,
Yeah.
and he took it off us. So what should you have done?
Just stopped.
What were you going to do?
Drive.
You have to be careful, yeah? Right, now, there's the keys. There's the... When you get in the car with the examiner, that one opens it, that one locks it, yeah? Just put your keys in there. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Are you nervous?
A bit.
Is your phone on silent?
Yeah, it's turned off.
It's turned off. Oh, I hope you Alex. I hope you pass, Alex. Stay calm.
What do I do when I get in the car?
Just start the car. Oh, then. So your palms are sweating like mad there, aren't they?
Well, I started just
We just put the key in there.
in there.
In there, and the cup holder and your license. Well, we're back up test with this amazing young guy. Tell him what you've done.
I have passed.
Tell him how many faults you got.
5.
You got 5. Let's have a look. Tell him what the exam was like. It was really nice, wasn't he?
No, he was nice.
No, he hasn't sent it. He hasn't sent it through yet. Damn. You got a couple for normal drive position, didn't you? Which he does do every now and again. What was the other ones for?
I think it was. I can't remember.
He got 5 faults. I think it was a couple. Was there a couple being a bit slower? Did he say?
Yeah, I think so.
Alex picked up 5 driver faults. He got 1 for driving too slow on the country roads on the national speed limit road. He got 1 fault for normal driving position, which was driving too close to the centre of the road when going round a couple of bends. And he got 3 for turning right at junctions. Now this could have been turning right at roundabouts. The test route he got had a lot of right hand turns in, so there could have been anything not positioned properly. Could have been a few things that, but well done, Alex, and please drive safely.
I think there was 1 for being a bit slow.
Well, this young man deserves it. I'm over the moon with that. Yeah? Now you've got to be careful now.
I know.
Have you got that?
Aye.
Jesus, you frightened the life out of me this morning. But he does have his moments. When his brain's working, he's quite good. But his brain doesn't work all the time now. And what manoeuvre did you do?
Forward park and over.
Did you?
Aye.
You got a first time?
Aye.
You said there wasn't much going on, was there?
Nah.
What did you drive like? Did you thought you passed when you pulled up?
I thought I passed, but I thought I could have failed. Driving too fast. One bit close. Apart from that, I thought I passed like.
Oh, well done. What question? Oh, what's happening now? Are you going to get a car then? Or what?
I think so. I think we get one soon.
Right, be careful.
Aye.
You've got to get used to the car first. Have you got that?
Aye.
Maybe get your granddad to sit in for a bit, or your dad, yeah? You can get your mum in. Use your mum drive.
No.
Is it good putting her in next year? She'll see that's on the channel.
She be asking for this all the time now, though.
Well, you have to give them certs, your mum. Yeah? Your mum's your best friend, young man. Oh, I'm so relieved. Well done.
Very pleasure.
Drive safely, young man, yeah?
Right.
And be careful, have you got that? Well done, Alex. See you later, mate. Ta-ra. Bye-bye. Don't drive like a lunatic. See you later.